Now we will see here example question. Construct a triangle similar to given triangle ABC with its side equal to 3 by 4 of the corresponding side of the triangle ABC, that is of scale factor 3 by 4. See, corresponding side we have to construct 3 by 4 here. So for construction the first triangle, they have not given any measurement. You can take your own measurement triangle. They have not told you to draw this much centimeter or angle. They have not given anything. You should construct on your own. See, first I will construct one triangle here. Now, for this first triangle, we should construct the similar triangle of 3 by 4. See here. Let this be our A, B, C. Now 3 by 4, when you cancel or divide, you are getting more than 1 or less than 1? No doubt, less than 1. Again, same procedure. From BC as a base, construct an acute angle. So let this BX be a ray. Now, how many equal parts we should take? 4. Why? 4 is greater than 3. Whichever the number, numerator or denominator is greater, that measurement you should take. Now, construct 4 equal arcs by taking compass. Take your own measurement. Now, cut and 4 equal arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now write this B1, B2, B3, B4. So now see the denominator and join to this. Now 4 is in denominator. Now join this B4 to C. Now, so 3 by 4. So 3 will be our corresponding triangle will come inside the given triangle. So B4C parallel to B3C dash, which we should construct. This parallel line we should construct here. Now for that same procedure, take any measurement arc. Without changing your compass, keep on B3, draw and same arc. Now measure the arc. Now cut an intersection arc. Now join to the BC, which will be our parallel line from B3 to C dash. This is our C dash. Now same like this, we should draw a parallel line of A dash, C dash from AC. Again same, take your compass and draw any measurement arc. Without changing the compass, keep on C dash and draw an arc. Again same procedure, measure an arc, cut an intersection arc. Now join to intersect this AB side. Now this A dash B C dash is our required triangle. Now step of construction and justification they have given in the textbook. Now example 2, construct a triangle similar to a given triangle ABC with its side equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding side of the triangle ABC, that is scale factor of 5 by 3. Now again they have not given any measurement of the first triangle here. You should make your own construction of the triangle ABC. Now, scale factor of 5 by 3. When you cancel this or divide, you are getting more than 1 or less than 1? Greater than 1. So, our required similar triangle will come outside the given triangle. Now, again same procedure. First we will make this, name this ABC. Again from BC as a base, we will draw an acute angle BX as a ray. Now, how many equal parts we should take here? 5 parts. Why? Whichever the greater, you should see here, numerator and denominator. 5 is greater, therefore you should take 5 equal arcs. If 3 by 5 it is, then also you should take 5 only. You should see the numerator and denominator. Whichever the greater number is there, that much arcs we should draw. Now again same procedure. Draw an equal arcs of 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you should name this B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. This B1 B1 is equals to B1 B2, B1 B2 is equals to B2 B3 up to B4 B5. These all arcs are equal here. Now see the denominator 3. So from B3 to you should join to the C. Now after joining this, we should construct parallel line B3C to B5C dash. This BC should be extended that time. Okay. Now again take your compass, draw any measurement arc without changing the compass. Keep on the B5. Now measure the arc. Cut an intersection arc. Now join the intersection arc and this B5 point, so that we get parallel line. Okay, should extend this BC to get C dash. This intersection point is our C dash. Now we should construct AC parallel to A dash C dash. At that time we should extend this AB side. Now take any measurement from C, take an arc without changing the compass. From C dash you take same arc. Now measure the arc. Now measure this arc, cut an intersection arc. Now join this. Now this AB side should be produced to meet A dash. This is our A dash. A dash B C dash is our required triangle of the 5 by 3 of the corresponding side of the given triangle ABC.